Well, it's official. 10, 13, 14, and 15 are being decommissioned so they can go to the local scrapper and be scrapped, and then the paperwork will be forwarded that they get to be replaced by an electric bus. Shop today is coming through going, okay, well, we need this part and this part off of there. We need that part, and there's some things they can take off, like a fold-up step. They can take off an extra mirror bracket. It has to go in with a motor. Reflectors you can take off. Actually, say crossover light lenses you can take off, but there's certain things that have to remain on the bus because it's a full bus. Look up above, they pulled the crossover light lenses. In fact, they pull out the whole units out. There's 10, 13, and 14. They had things pulled yesterday. 10, 15's in the shop right now, getting what can be pulled off. And then, like I said, they're being prepared to go to the scrapper. So it's no longer writing on the wall. It's just a matter of when the tow truck comes to pick them up and take them to the scrapyard. 15's back from the shop, so I do one last group picture before they go away. They've been receiving regular PMI every 3,000 miles, every 90 days or 3,000 miles, even though we haven't used them in a year. Now they're out of service, one less thing to do with them. And like I said, we're waiting for the tow truck to come collect them, and they'll be replaced by new ICs.